Inscribe
a regular polygon in a given circle. Okay. Step 1. Draw a circle with a given radius 40 mm with the center O. Okay. On the circumference of the circle, draw the diameter line from any point to any point inside the circle. Okay. Now I prepared the horizontal diameter AB from the A as the center, AB is the radius. Draw an arc above the circle. The same radius, B as the center. Draw one more arc above the circle. These two circles will intersect at the point P. Now join the P to the 2. As we have already divided the line AB into 5 equal parts. Why? Because in the question it is asked to inscribe pentagon in the given circle. So that by the procedure, that procedure is dividing a line into any number of equal parts. Please follow that procedure and divide the AB line as your consider it or assume it your straight line. So now the straight line AB is successfully divided into 5 equal parts. Now join the P to the 2, point 2, and extend P2 point up to the circumference of the circle. The intersecting point will be the C. Now join AC. AC is the one side of the your regular polygon. Now AC is the radius. C as the center. Draw an arc on the circle. Now the point D and C join by using the scale. The second side of the pentagon or polygon is retrieved or obtained. Now come to the point D is the center. And draw one more arc at on the circumference of the circle. Now the point, another point is scale. Join these 2 points P and D. Now the center B, draw one more arc at D. Sorry, some any points from P or Q already is there. Now it is the center. With the center Q and draw one more arc, it will connect to the point A. Now join all these points A to Q. Then the required pentagon will be inscribed in the given circle. That's all. I think all of you got it. Do you have any doubt regarding this inscribing a circle, inscribing the polygon into the circle, given circle? Then if you have any doubt, please ask me. Otherwise, please draw that one. Please draw that one. And write the procedure also. Finish.